So it's time to link your gravitational potential concept with your electrical potential concept. So let's look into the similarity and differences between gravitational potential energy and electrical potential energy. So guys, how and what is your gravitational potential energy? So how do we get gravitational potential energy and what is gravitational potential energy? So if I happen to keep an object at a particular position, because of its position, it will have certain energy. That is your gravitational potential energy. Right? Similarly, electrical potential energy will deal with a charge being placed at a particular place, and the energy because of this is your electrical potential energy. That's it. Here it is an object with particular mass. Here it's with an charge, or it's with an object with particular charge. Basically, charge comes into picture in your electrical potential energy. So to list the nature of force in your gravitational potential energy is always attractive. While when it comes to electrical potential energy, we can have either attractive, if not repulsion, right? So if I happen to, just a second, this is your attraction. So if we happen to keep a positive charge over here, what will happen? It will get repelled. But in this case, we have a negative and a positive charge, so they will attract. So yes, there is attraction and we can repel as well. So when we talk about nature of force, when it comes to electrical potential energies or anything to do with electrical, we have two different kind of charges, and so we have attraction and repulsion. So what is the cause of this? Cause of gravitational potential energy is anything to do with mass. So any object with mass will pull any object with mass. When it comes to electrical potential energy, it has to do with charge. Any object or charge itself in presence of another charge will get either attracted, if not repelled. So these are the fundamental aspect to your gravitational and electrical potential energies. So to put it as a definition, we have, in simple words, energy possessed by a charge or charges because of their position in an electrical field. That is your electrical potential energy. Or we can also frame it as it is the capacity to do work by a charge because of its position in an electrical field. Okay, so very simple concept. All we are trying to do over here is interlink what we see in our day-to-day things, like an object falling. Okay, we have played with magnets also. We have seen magnets pulling another magnet, if not pushing them as well. So we can compare such things and understand a word which we are not used to. Electricity is something which we don't see. We make use of it, but we don't see. But by comparing these two natures, I hope you guys can understand better. It's very simple concept, but I'm putting it a bit lengthy way so that you guys can get a better idea basically. Okay, please do write it off, not as per your syllabus, but again, all of this will help you understand the concept better. So pause and make a running note.